They said the age of the V8 is over, that the rumble of high-displacement engines would fade into memory. Casualties of efficiency, electrification, and ever-tightening regulations. But Jeep didn't just ignore that forecast. They ripped it in half, shoved it under the supercharged hood of the 2026 Grand Cherokee Trackhawk, and lit it on fire with 700-plus horsepower. Welcome back to the channel where rubber meets reason and passion meets precision. Today, we're diving deep into what might be the last great American SUV built not just to haul families, but to haunt supercars. The 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk isn't just a refresh, it's a declaration. It says, yes, we heard you, and we're doing it anyway. Under the hood is a revised 6.2-liter Hellcat V8, retuned for tighter emission standards, but still delivering a jaw-dropping 727 horsepower and 680 lb-ft of torque. That's more than a Ferrari Roma, more than a Porsche 911 Turbo. And yet this beast has cup holders, adaptive cruise control, and can tow your boat to the lake. Jeep's engineers went to war with physics to make this 5,400-pound behemoth sprint from 0 to 60 in just 3.3 seconds. All-wheel drive remains standard, but it's been reworked with new torque vectoring software that makes the Trackhawk feel more composed and frighteningly confident at high speeds. Even the 8-speed TorqueFlite automatic has been recalibrated, shifting with ferocity that rivals dual-clutch systems. But speed alone doesn't make a Trackhawk. What sets this new generation apart is refinement. Jeep knew brute force was no longer enough. The 2026 model sits on the WL platform, stiffer and lighter than before, with revised suspension geometry and active damping that adapts in milliseconds. It doesn't just go fast. It handles with a poise that would have embarrassed sports sedans a decade ago. Inside, it's no longer just about muscle, it's about mastery. The cabin is a fusion of premium Napa leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum, with a digital cockpit that blends performance data, off-road telemetry, and luxury convenience into one cohesive interface. The 19-speaker Macintosh sound system, it doesn't just play music, it conducts it. And yet, at its core, this is still a Jeep. Quadra-track all-wheel drive, selectable drive modes including snow, mud, and track, and the kind of rugged capability you'd expect from a brand built on conquering the impossible. It might wear a street suit now, but it hasn't forgotten how to throw punches in the dirt. Of course, all this comes at a price. Starting around $98000, the 2026 Trackhawk isn't for the faint of wallet, but for those who crave the intoxicating blend of muscle car theatrics, SUV practicality, and genuine craftsmanship. There's simply nothing else like it. This may be the end of an era, or maybe it's a renaissance. Because if this is what the twilight of internal combustion looks like, then Jeep just gave it a standing ovation and a burnout. If you felt that thrill down your spine just like we did, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. Would you take the Trackhawk over Urus or even a Cayenne Turbo GT? Let us know. And don't forget to share this with a gearhead in your life who still believes horsepower is happiness. Thanks for riding with us. Until next time, keep your wheels spinning and your heart racing.